They just can't get out of their own way, can they? Why do I say that, folks? Well, there is yet another massive recall for this Toyota Tundra right here. So what's going on now is that they have moisture that's getting into these rear tail lights, and you won't be able to see the vehicle. You won't be able to tell whether it's going into reverse or not. So you'll be able to just slam right into somebody. They won't know you're coming, and that will be not a very good day for either one of you, that's for sure. And this is now the not first, not second recall for this vehicle. It is the 10th recall. Here's a 1794. Put in the comments what you think about this 1794. I actually like the styling on this, and I really like the interior. But check this out. 75 grand. And you've gotten 10 recalls on these. I mean, that's absolutely insane. Here's a limited one. So what if some of the other recalls we got? Like full engine replacement. You all remember that one, right? They had to replace a couple 100,000 engines, I believe it was. And there was debris getting in there. And I think it was about 100,000 engines that they had to replace. And then you had another transmission issue where the software was jacked up and it would go into neutral and just like roll forward. I mean, that's scary, right? And you had a bunch of fuel problems, like causing fuel leaks and tubes getting jammed up. This is a used one here. There's some serious problems with this vehicle, folks. Like, you've got an axle flange issue with this, to where your axle can literally separate from the vehicle while you're driving. And just imagine, you know, what happens when that happens. Like, you're flying down the highway, right? What do we got on price here? Oh, 72,000. And this one, put in the comments what you think about this color here. I don't know if this is the Blue Crush or not. 1 second. 66,000. Gotta love that. Our blueprint. That's what this is. There's another 1794. So these are selling again, though. The Tundra sales have increased quite a bit, and I don't know why. Well, I do know why. It's Toyota is still getting away with their reputation for reliability, and that couldn't be further from the truth. If you bought one of these vehicles in like the last couple of years, I mean, you would have been plagued with recalls for major stuff. And everybody's like, oh, well, you know, Ford's doing recalls. Yeah, of course they are. But here's the difference between Ford and Toyota. Toyota will wait to recall something until it gets to the point of no return, right? And it'll be a situation that is pretty bad, and then they'll finally do a recall. And yeah, it's just ridiculous. And you got another thing where your parking brake starts to malfunction here. Your rear camera won't work. That was another recall that they had. I mean, I don't know about the whole rear camera thing. I've got mixed feelings on that. So almost 76,000 bucks. And you're dealing with just loads of garbage problems. And this one's not much better, I'll tell you. The Tacoma, what do we got here? Freaking SR5, 45 grand. Gotta love that, right? And this one has the iForce Max. There's no telling what this price is. Good Lord, I bet it's awful. 53,432 bucks. Sweet, right? I'll tell you what they don't have here is they don't have any of the Forerunners around. But look at this. They're having to knock 5,000 $458 off. But look at that price tag. This is insane. 62,000. Put in the comments what you all think about Toyota and whether they're just getting away with their reputation that they had a long time ago that they haven't really kept up with. And now they're having loads and loads of problems and people are still buying them left and right. I don't know. Maybe they'll wake up someday. We'll see. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see ya.